by selecting this whole sheet, you have to go to new rule. Again you have to select this thing and you have to select no blank. And by going this format button, you have to do border. You want this top border, bottom border, left side border, right side border. You can do by randomly selecting or by click. Whenever I am going to write down anything, it will automatically add the border. So this is the magic. Hello friends, welcome in new tutorial. Right now I have randomly filled out some of email ID, but see, these are all our email IDs which are fake. There is nothing to do with this name or email ID, but I have just randomly filled out some data so I can give you some brief. But what I want that in future I am going to prepare one form. By adding any person, you can automatically add new row and new person name and email ID you can add. So I'm going to change the sheet name to name and email ID, right? And this is name. But for attractive purpose, what I'm going to teach you that whenever something is available, automatically the border must be available. That means that see, this type of situation I want that if I'm going to write down anything, this must be bordered automatically by the Excel that I want. So what I'm going to do, let us delete this thing, Alt HBN for removing borders. You have to first select this thing. I hope you have understand this conditional formatting. If you have not understand, then you cannot do this thing. So by selecting this whole sheet, you have to go to new rule. Again you have to select this thing and you have to select no blank. And by going this format button, you have to do border. You want this top border, bottom border, left side border, right side border. You can do by randomly selecting or by clicking this outline. You can select this outline border, right? So okay. Now whenever I am going to write down anything, it will automatically add the border. So this is the magic. No, you don't require to add anything while adding this border or deleting this border. Do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more such updates. So you may learn this new thing in your life, practice this thing. Though I have captured this conditional formatting additional lecture because I want to teach you this thing that by adding anything in the data, you can create the border, outside border. So see you soon in my next tutorial. Bye bye.